Hey, Tiann.
Hi, Sam.
So what do you think about all the updates we just did? We have brand new Flexity flooring, we have brand new cushions. It looks really sharp, right?
It's fantastic. I am so thrilled. It looks like a brand new boat.
You know, we spend so much time on the updates in the exterior of the boat. Sometimes I think the people at home forget that we have a full cabin downstairs to keep clean too.
Yeah, that's kind of my department.
So I know we make a couple different products that probably help downstairs, right?
Absolutely. Yeah. Oh, yeah. All the products that you actually use outside and up here, I use downstairs in the cabin. Easy peasy. It's great stuff. It works both places.
Okay, fantastic. Do you mind showing us?
Absolutely. Let's go clean the cabin.
Shurhold, clean and simple.
When you're living on a boat, keeping the cabin clean is tough. It's a daily battle, but Shurhold products make it super easy because I can carry one type of cleaning product and clean the entire boat, inside, outside, cabin, head, all that kind of stuff. So I'm gonna just take you through a few things I use it for, and hopefully that'll help you keep your cabin clean and simple. So basically for the Serious Shine, I use that for all of the stainless steel. It is unbelievable. Every single time I open the fridge or the kids open the fridge, which when I have 2 teenage boys is a lot, fingerprints galore. But the Serious Shine actually really helps keep the fingerprints at bay, and it's a super easy spray and clean. It's no big deal. And same with the sink, actually. After I clean the sink and sanitize it, it still kind of leaves like a hazy film, but if I zip it with the Serious Shine real quick, then it's gorgeous. It looks like a brand new sink, so I'm really happy with how that works on that. And even the countertops, you know, just a quick spray. If I'm spraying the sink, I'll just totally spray the whole countertop, and it just looks it makes everything kind of sparkle, which is nice. I also use it in the head. So that mirror in there, constantly, everyone's putting on their sunscreen, which is completely my rule. When we're in the Bahamas, everyone has the sunscreen up, and then you've got the greasy sunscreen prints, and it's all over the mirror and all over the sink in there, which, is, a never-ending battle, but I'll take it. Serious Shine is easy. So I just spray the Serious Shine, and it gets all that grease and grime, and it really makes it so much, not a big deal, really, not a big deal. And then the head, actually, I use the Serious Marine Cleaner, because, if you're living aboard for a week, or we do sometimes a month, the toilet gets gross. So Serious Marine Cleaner really helps with keeping that clean. And sometimes on the floor, we're making smoothies or margaritas or whatever, and something spills on the carpet, and when there's like a big stain, I find the Serious Marine Cleaner really helps with getting those stains and grimes out. And that's it. I mean, it's really easy to use the products we use to clean the outside of the boat in the cabin. It makes it super simple. But if you want to see any of my other videos or tips or tricks, you can check out our website at www.shurhold.com. Until then, keep your inside cabin clean and simple.
Come on, guys. Who left mud on my end screen? We gotta keep this place clean around here. That's better.